Hey Lily, how's your day going?
Yeah. What about you?
I'm sure you're doing well these days.
Does it really seem that way to you?
Why wouldn't it?
You really know how to play with someone's heart.
No, I don't play with anyone's heart.
Oh, really? Listen, life can't exist without a heart.
What kind of life can exist without beauty?
So to you, beauty is the sky, the air, the trees, the leaves?
No, people are beautiful. The most beautiful thing in this world is a person.
More beautiful than flowers?
Yeah, because human love is more beautiful than any flower.
Are you in love with someone?
Can anyone really live without love?
You talk like a poem.
A failed poet.
Ha ha ha. So then, what is love?
Love is a sacred flower.
Do people really need love in life?
Love is as pure as a flower.
Is that so?
Yeah. But flowers don't stay forever.
Then what stays forever?
The feeling someone leaves inside your heart.
Have you ever loved someone that deeply?
Maybe. Or maybe I'm still waiting for the right person.
And how will you know when you find her?
When silence feels peaceful beside her.
You really are a poet.
I told you, a failed one.
You know, I used to think love was something dramatic, like stories in movies.
And now?
Now I think maybe love is just sitting beside someone and feeling calm.
Yeah. Maybe it's just finding one person who feels like home.
That's a dangerous thing to say to a girl sitting in a magical garden with you.
I didn't realize this place came with warnings.
Oh, it definitely does. People come here and suddenly start confessing feelings.
Should I be worried?
Depends. Are you about to confess something?
Can I tell you something honestly?
That depends how honest.
Meeting you feels weirdly familiar. Like I've known you longer than I actually have.
I was literally thinking the same thing.
See? That's exactly what I meant.
You always turn everything into poetry.
Only around you.
You know what scares me about love?
What?
How quickly someone can become important to you.
Maybe that's not something to be scared of.
Maybe. But it makes your heart fragile.
Yeah. But I think hearts are supposed to be fragile. Otherwise, love wouldn't mean anything.
You're not really a failed poet.
And you're not as guarded as you pretend to be.
Do you ever think people meet for a reason?
I think some people walk into your life exactly when your heart is ready for them.
And what if your heart isn't ready?
Then maybe love waits.
You talk like someone who's been hurt before.
Maybe everyone who loves deeply gets hurt a little.
That's a terrifying thought.
Not really. I think it's beautiful.
Beautiful? Beautiful?
Yeah, because if someone can touch your heart enough to leave a scar, it means they mattered.
You know, when I first met you, I thought you were strange.
Only strange?
Okay, mysterious too.
And now?
Now I think meeting you feels a little like coming home. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm trying to remember this moment.
That's such a dangerous thing to say to a girl.
Why?
Because moments like this make people fall in love.
Maybe that's already happening.
You really don't make things easy, do you?
I didn't know I was supposed to.
Can I tell you something strange?
Always. Before I met you,
Ason, really, everything felt loud.
and now,
My life, my thoughts, the world, it all felt rushed somehow. But when
But
I'm
when
with
I'm with
you,
you-
things feel calm.
you have no idea how long I've wanted someone to say that to me. Hey, there's a cozy little coffee shop down the street. Want to grab some coffee with me?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, this place is ridiculously cozy.
I had a feeling you'd like it.
Do you come here a lot?
Sometimes. Usually when I need to think.
You know, this feels
Weirdly nice.
Weirdly? Like one of those moments people remember years later?
That sounds dangerously close to sentimentality. Don't ruin it.
what's on your mind.
Can I ask you something honestly?
You can ask me anything.
Why do I feel like I've known you longer than I actually have?
Maybe some people just feel familiar to your soul.
You say things that sound like they belong in a movie.
And yet you keep showing up for the next scene.
You know, tonight feels unreal.
In a good way?
Yeah.
Like the kind of night people write songs about when they can't forget someone.
Want another coffee? I think I want to remember this exact version of tonight.
You really do turn small moments into big ones.
Maybe because small moments are usually the ones that change everything.
Yes, true.
You realize this is dangerously romantic, right?
I realized that the second you walked into my life.
I think this might be my favorite night ever.
Mine too.
Wow. Very movie main character of you.
I'm committed to the aesthetic.
I don't think I'm gonna forget tonight.
Good. Because I don't want you to.
This is usually the part in romantic movies where something happens.
Like what?
You really enjoy making me emotionally unstable, huh?
No, not really.
Come on, it's late. Let's go home now.
Yeah, we had a great time.
We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Same cafe, same table?
I had a wonderful evening.
Me too. Thanks for making it special.
Good night, James. Sleep well.
Good night, Lily. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.